It was the first day of summer vacation, and 14-year-old Leo was bored. His friends were all away on fancy trips, and he was stuck at home with nothing to do. His eyes fell on a sleek new drone in a catalog, the Skyrider 5000. It was perfect for his summer project, a cinematic video of their town. There was just one problem. It cost a small fortune. That evening at dinner, Leo brought up the drone. "Dad, I really need it for my film project," he pleaded. His dad, a financial planner, listened patiently. "It's a great idea, Leo," he said, "but that's a lot of money. We can't just buy it." "But what if I could borrow the money?" Leo asked. "Like a loan? I could pay it back with my pocket money and by doing extra chores." His dad smiled. "That's an interesting thought. A loan is a serious commitment. It means you're borrowing money that you have to pay back, usually with a little extra called interest. There are different kinds of loans," his dad continued. "Think of it like different tools for different jobs. A personal loan is like a multi-tool. You can use it for almost anything, like your drone, but the interest can be high. Then there are home loans and car loans," his dad explained. "These are for big things, and the house or car acts as collateral. That means if you can't pay the loan back, the bank can take the item. It's a way for them to make sure they get their money back." "What about those plastic cards people use?" Leo asked, remembering his mom using one at the supermarket. Credit cards," his dad said. "They're a type of loan too, but a bit different. It's like having a pre-approved loan that you can use whenever you need it, up to a certain limit. With a credit card, you buy something now and pay for it later. At the end of the month, you get a bill. If you pay the whole bill, there's no extra charge. But if you only pay a part of it, you have to pay interest on the rest, and credit card interest is usually very high." Leo thought about it. The drone was expensive. A personal loan seemed like a big step. A credit card sounded convenient, but the high interest was scary. "So, which one is best for me?" he asked. "That's the million-dollar question," his dad said with a chuckle. "The best loan is the one that fits your needs and your ability to pay it back. For your drone, maybe we can work out a family loan. You can borrow the money from me, and we can agree on a fair repayment plan with a tiny bit of interest, so you learn how it works." Leo's face lit up. It was the perfect solution. He would get his drone and learn about financial responsibility at the same time. He shook his dad's hand, sealing the deal. His summer project was back on track, and he had learned a valuable lesson about money that he knew would be useful for the rest of his life.